Many visitors from around the world have chosen Friuli Venezia Giulia this December.
I'm from Netherlands and Hungary.
Uh-huh.
The city is probably my second favorite city in the world.
I'm from Ljubljana.
And you?
Novo mesto.
No, it's my third time here.
Okay.
Been here with the family as a child and like to come back here.
We're just happy to be here.
Serbia.
Is this your first time in Trieste?
No.
You come a lot.
Yes.
What do you like so much about Trieste?
Spritz Yes. Spritz pero cappuccino, espresso.
From Serbia.
Okay, and how are you enjoying Trieste this weekend?
It's very nice. I like so much, and I want to live here. Maybe. Yes.
Is this your first time, second time in Trieste?
No, I came a lot because I live in Slovenia, so it's very close,
Yes.
and we come often. So
From?
I'm from Germany.
And you?
South Africa.
South Africa. Okay.
So we met at the university. We're doing our PhD there,
Okay.
and we just hit it off from the first day, and now we're best friends.